In today's episode, we port in one of our favorite spots, Costa Maya, Mexico, and enjoy a few of the amazing free things to do without ever having to leave the port area. Once back on board, we check out the adults-only pool before heading to the specialty dining at Ocean Cay. After that somewhat disappointing meal, we head to the Madison Theater for their show, Divas. All that and more starts now. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the MSC Seashore at Costa Maya. And we are joined by the Jubilee. We did a little dance this morning. We pulled in and then we decided to go ahead and spin around. So we just did a little spin around do-si-do, and Carnival Jubilee was pulling in while we were spinning around. It's beautiful. It's a nice little dance. But super excited for today. We love Costa Maya. We're in a great spot. Weather seems to be absolutely perfect. So we are going to run down, grab some breakfast real quick before we get off the ship, and I can't wait to take you with me. Let's go. Well, we have made it here to breakfast. It's the same menu. It's a static menu for the breakfast import, so I will throw it up here, although if you've seen a couple of days video ago, you've seen it already, but, I lied. I totally lied. Sweet. There's Eggs Benedict on the menu. Yes! I just kind of opened it up and half glanced at it, but I was wrong. I was wrong. Write it down, for I was wrong. There's Eggs Benedict on the menu, which means I actually need to take a picture of the menu. Okay. Good morning. Can I do the Eggs Benedict? Yep. And then can I also do the smoked salmon, bagel, and cream cheese? And can I have a side of extra cream cheese, please? Perfect. And then I'll also do an extra side of bacon. And that'll be it. Thank you very much.
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico. Y como dice mi coro que sigue ahí. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Escucha. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Escucha mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Ahora estamos gozando hasta la mañana. Melodía, melodía.
Well, y'all, as we can see, we have made it here onto Costa Maya, and we are incredibly disappointed. The aviary is closed for maintenance. I'll show you a couple of clips. They've taken out a bunch of the bridges. They've taken out a bunch of the netting. God, it's like a double whammy. So Ocean Cay was canceled. That's fine. At least we got the aviary at Costa Maya. Boom. 1-2 punch. So, yikes. Took a couple of clips. Some of the Dolphins. Pretty cool to kind of see them. Took some of the clips of the Flamingos. Pretty neat. Man, that aviary, I was really banking on that. I was really excited to show my wife that, because she wasn't here the last time I was here and did that. But oh well, win some, lose some. Don't really know what else we're going to get up to. We might probably just head back to the ship. It's not really worth spending a bunch of money here for lunch when ship's right there and it's free. So we are joined by the Jubilee here, as you can see. Two big, massive ships. It's interesting. The last time I was here, I think it was the last time I was here, we had 4 ships in port, and now there's only 2. And it feels like there's only 2 ships here, even though they're 2 massive ships. So, okay, well, we'll see if we get up to anything else here in Costa Maya. If not, we'll see you back on the ship. All right, we're back in the room. A little bit of a disappointing time here in Costa Maya, but I guess you can't win them all. So we are going to wash off the sweat of Costa Maya and that long pier by jumping in the pool. So don't know if I'm going to bring you guys with me or not, but I'm going to go jump in the pool. Okay, well, we fell asleep. We took a nap. We came back to the room and took a nap. The sun has sucked the life out of us, but we are slightly rejuvenated. I made a mistake. Earlier, I was looking at the menus, and I was sliding through from breakfast to dinner, and I think I ended up on tomorrow's menu, and so I thought tonight's dinner was a really awesome dinner. But then when I looked again, that's tomorrow night's dinner that has the escargot and beef tenderloin and all that stuff. Tonight is like a Caribbean, Jamaican chicken type jerk chicken, stuff like that. And I don't know, just between the lunch that we had, I was kind of feeling I wanted something lighter than, kind of that real spicy Caribbean type thing. So we've decided to actually go to Ocean Cay, which is the seafood restaurant on board. So I made reservations for that. That's going to be later tonight. But in the meantime, I think we are going to go kind of just look at some people, do some people watching out on deck 8, back by the infinity pool, maybe get some gelato. I don't know. Drop $1 for some gelato, maybe. They got a ton of flavors back there in the adults only area on the infinity pools, deck 8 aft. So I think we're going to go there, check it out. I want to get a time lapse of just like people walking up and down the pier real quick. I think it'll be kind of cool. Do like a zoom out slowly with all the people running. So I don't know. Go get a couple of shots, see what's up. I don't know if it's just that we're getting later in the day and there's more clouds, but every so often it gets really dark out. So I don't know if there's a storm on the horizon or what, but once we get outside, we'll check it out. So come with us as we just kind of people watch and enjoy our day, the rest of our day here in Costa Maya. So, welcome here to Ocean Cay.
No allergies, right?
No, ma'am. We are doing the a la carte. I will go ahead and I will throw the menu up here for you to check out. We are not doing the dining experience. This is going to be strictly a la carte. I feel like sometimes the dining experiences are a bit limited in options, and I like what I like. So I'm going to go ahead and get it a la carte. And so you can see kind of what's off of the dining experience. So let's get into some food. I will start with the foie gras, and then I'm going to do the lobster, and then if I could do the mashed potatoes as a side.
And I'll just do the cockerel, please. Yep. That's it for me.
Thank you. I was going to stab you. That's chicken.
Yeah, I know. I'm aware. See, I
This
told
is
you.
the seafood restaurant, and you ordered the chicken at the seafood restaurant. Thought he was going to spit on her. Just, nothing in my restaurant. No soup for you.
The food was okay, but definitely not my favorite on the seashore. If you'd like to hear a more in-depth review, I will link to the full Ocean Cay Seafood review video coming soon. Now, onto the show, Divas.
insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. It can be a road. Take my heart and make it slowly. You see where it
Well, we have made it back into the room. Sadly, I do not think we are going to survive to the silent disco. I'm going to be listening to a silent disco in my head with my eyes closed here in the room because I am lit tired. Costa Maya really takes it out of you. The sun, just that long pier. Had a great day. A little disappointed because we didn't get to do the aviary, but I guess we'll just have to come back. So next time. But the show was really good. One thing I would say for MSC, anyone really, if you have a cruise ship, you have musicians at your disposal. Use them in the shows. Don't use a backing track. You have singers and dancers up on stage who are singing and dancing their heart out and doing amazing. The dancers and singers are spectacular, and they get lost in the noise of a backing track to me. May not be that way for everyone, but having a live band on stage makes a world of a difference, and I would encourage all the cruise ship executives that are watching my dinky little channel here to hire musicians and put them on stage. Tomorrow we're going to Cox and Hull. We've been convinced by our new friend Melissa to join her on an excursion, which we don't usually do, but we are going to go check out some monkeys and see some sloths. We're going to see them. We're not going to touch them because science now knows that holding sloths stresses them out, and we don't want to stress the sloths out. We don't want to scare the little guys. So we're going to go do that. Looking forward to seeing all the updates that they've done in Cox and Hull since the last time I was there in March of 24. So just over a year ago. They had quite a few updates since the time I was there in February in 23. So, every year come back and see the progress of Cox and Hull. And I'm excited to see it. I saw a picture the other day and I was like, whoa, is that really Cox and Hull? They've really it used to be lipstick on a pig. Now it's a totally different animal. So we'll check it out tomorrow and you'll be there, hopefully, if you haven't subscribed to the channel so you can see what we get up to here and every other port that we hit along the way. But with that, I'm going to go to bed. My name's Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and I will see you there.
If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.